In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Monday.com. Starting with your Monday.com workspace, you'll see a left panel where all your navigation magic happens. Look for the plus icon right next to the current workspace name. By clicking on this, you're opening the door to customize your workspace by adding a new item. This is where you initiate the process of creating your dashboard, setting the stage for a more organized and visually intuitive display of your data. Once you click on the plus icon, you'll see an option to select a dashboard. Go ahead and give your new dashboard a name that reflects its purpose or the type of data you plan to showcase. This will help keep your workspace structured and make it easier to find what you're looking for later. After naming your dashboard, click Create Dashboard, and voila! You've laid the foundation of your new dashboard. With the dashboard created, it's time to connect it to your existing data. Look for the option to connect boards. This step is essential because it links your dashboard to the different boards where your data currently resides. By clicking on Connect Boards, you have the autonomy to select which boards you want to integrate with your new dashboard. This interconnected approach ensures that all relevant information is gathered in one place, thus making it smoother for you to track and analyze. Now that your boards are connected, it's time to bring your dashboard to life by adding widgets. Widgets in Monday.com serve as the building blocks for customizing how you want your data to be displayed. They can range from charts to numbers to calendars, among others, providing a visual edge to your dashboard. Start exploring the variety of widgets available and consider the type of data you often analyze. This will guide you in selecting the widgets that best serve your needs. As you add each widget, think about the story you want your data to tell. The flexibility of widgets allows you to arrange and customize their appearance, so spend time experimenting with different configurations until you find one that suits your style. A well-crafted dashboard with well-chosen widgets will not only declutter your data, but also make it more digestible and actionable. And that's all there is to it. You've now transformed your Monday.com workspace with a customized dashboard that reflects your unique requirements and simplifies complex data into comprehensible visuals. This dashboard will serve as a powerful tool, providing insights at a glance and keeping you on top of your tasks and projects. Don't forget that as your needs evolve, you can always revisit and refine your dashboard to keep it aligned with your goals. Happy organizing!